guys, in today's video I have another human hair wig review for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I've done my makeup. This is what it looks like completely glueless. It looks much better than it did out of, the box, like the color of my lace. But I'm still going to probably melt it down with my melt spray. Okay, I blow dried it, and then I really just flat ironed the front of the wig, like at the bottom, because it's been in a box for a while, and I think this looks good. I did a sunlight test for you guys. I think this looks really good on camera. Outside, you can see the lace depending on the lighting situation. Direct sunlight, I have learned, it's gonna make your lace look its best when it's high sun. But in low lighting is when you can really see the lace. When I was under my gazebo, you can see the halo of my lace. In certain lighting situations, like lower light, you can see the lace. So that's just what it is. But it looks good overall. But I always like to include my sunlight test because, lace is not skin and you want to see what it looks like in real life without any filters. So you know what to expect in real life. Okay, so it just really depends on, the type of lace and what you decide to tint your lace with. But if your lace is still not perfect after tinting it, just chop it up to, it's never going to be your scalp. It's levels to it. It's still going to be a fabric. So, but this is really nice, and I think this looks good. I have all the specs on the wig, the density, and the inches for you guys in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So I'm going to actually style this as a side part, I believe, and I might put some curls in it. Alright guys, so this is the side part look that I did, and I just put a little bit of curls on to one side and did kind of like just like a layered bang look without cutting it. I put some powder in the part and did a curved side part. Yeah, this is a cute style. I have tried other yaki bops from Nadula hair and they've all been pretty, and this is no different. I feel like, you know, for this to be a yaki texture, it felt so fluffy and, you know, super soft. And I do like this length. I think it's pretty, and it's gonna be a good length for this time of year. I think this might be 14 inches. I'll have everything in the description box for you guys, as well as coupon codes. I don't have any like excessive shedding. I have a little bit, but I did tweeze the hairline, and I don't have any tangling yet. So I think this is very pretty and a great everyday wig. And it's pretty beginner friendly, especially with this being a closure wig. So if you are interested in picking up this wig from Nadula Hair, I'll have it linked down below with coupon codes and all the specs. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.